Sweet escape. So if we leave, will anybody notice? If you don't wanna play these games, just tell me what you need and we can go there. Only if for the weekend, I just stepped out with my friends. Don't tell me that you're leaving. Think I came at the right time. Do you know what's on my mind? Can you stay for the evening? It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. Just the little things that get me high, keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little thing for you and I. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things that get me high, keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things that get me high, keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it.
What time is it when the party
I give a rhyme on dust, guaranteed to make it right if your night is a bust. Dust. I give a rhyme on dust, guaranteed to make it right if your night is a bust. Dust. I give a rhyme on dust, guaranteed to make it right if your night is a bust. Dust. I give a rhyme on dust, guaranteed to make it right if your night is a bust.
Ladies and gentlemen, baby, what is going on, you beautiful, beautiful people, man? I hope you guys are having an amazing day, baby. Crushing it. Hitting if you guys have training already. If you guys are not doing it, guys, let's get this party started, baby. We got a little house mix going on. We're big chill out right now, ladies and gentlemen. Turn this down a little bit. All right, guys, we got to go over a couple really important things. Really important. You know, that we all got to note. We're gonna go over this really quickly and really get it popping. So, if you guys are new here, man, make sure you hit that little sub button. You guys come from YouTube.com. You guys come from Twitter.com. Make sure to hop over here, Tradecaster.com, baby. Come over here and stay over here, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, like I said before, we have some very important things to go over. Oh my gosh, dude. Sorry, guys. This house mix goes so hard. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, economic calendar for the day, baby. We got none. So, we got none today. And that's going to be expected as tomorrow's the day. Right, ladies and gentlemen? If you go to tomorrow, you guys can clearly see we have CPI at the time of 8:30 a.m. YB, what does that mean? What does that matter? What is CPI? I don't even know what that means. What is that? You know, blah, blah, blah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, CPI is basically, this is all you need to know. There's going to be a move. It's about, you know, obviously the inflation rate, year over year, obviously, and month over month. So give me 1 second to load this back up. But yes, that's all you need to know, is that this basically goes over the current inflation, what's going over month over month, year after year, where are we at, where are we sitting, you know, what percent is inflation sitting at, et cetera, et cetera. So their goal is 2%. Right now we're sitting at, says, you know, 3.8. Forecast is 3.7. So if we come out and inflation goes down to 3.7, it'll be probably what we expect. The market will go up. If it goes to 3.9, the market will shoot down. If it sits at 3.8, it may still go down. So, you know, you can play CPI down in a million different ways. I've played it every way so far, and they usually print. So you can go long one account, short another. You cannot touch CPI data. You can touch it with a singular account, and you cross your fingers and hope it works, right? It's like, so, I mean, it is a gamble if you're going to do that one, but a million percent, guys, you can straddle this play. I've straddled CPI data. I think every CPI data. So I definitely have some back history with it, and it works every time. So, ladies and gentlemen, definitely if you guys want to get a funded account, you guys, you know, it doesn't matter. It depends the size of which you want to get it, but that's definitely the way to do it. CPI data is a really, really good way. Same with FOMC. So FOMC is another really, really good way, guys. And, you know, I'm just happy we're here, baby. So, ladies and gentlemen, big chilling out until we get that done. And I hope you guys are having a good day as well. So, yes, that is going to be the big news. So for today, YB, that's tomorrow. So what's the game plan for today right now? Patience, guys. Our EMAs are looking beautiful right now. I will put that out there. They're looking good. They're looking great, and I will be waiting and watching on them. You know, I see 1, 2, 3 plays lining up. Obviously, NVDA is its own play, but it's still lining up, but I'm not going to consider it. Same thing with NQ overall I got here, lining up well. So everything's lining up well and correctly, just a patience game now, guys. Now you have to wait for market open, and then you just have to, you know, kind of hold off, right? So that's going to be your biggest thing, is holding off for the proper setup to come in, the proper setup to present itself, and yeah, then you can take that. So, ladies and gentlemen, big chilling out. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day, like I said, man. So, just went over it all. There we go, guys. There we go. All right. Now I just talked at 90 miles an hour. 95, dude. I'm looking, you know that snail named Turbo? That's what I'm looking like. That's what I'm feeling like. Why is this? Okay, guys, let me adjust this really quick as well. My clock. My clock seems to do this a lot. It kind of has like a big thing for just like, you know, it brings up this little like ad thing over top of it. All right, give me 1 second, guys. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them right now as I am chilling out. Okay. Boom. All right. Sounds good. So there we go. Put this back down to good old 300. There you go. Okay. Good to go, baby. Hopefully you guys are hyped up. We're waiting on these ads to pass by as I'm on. I don't even know, bro. So I got like 2 Spotify accounts. One of them's on my phone. One of them's on my computer. And for some reason, the one on my computer doesn't have premium. Doesn't make sense, because the one on my phone does, because I got premium. But it bites me, guys. Bites me. I just gotta log in. So, time being 9:13 right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a little bit of time still in our hands as we're waiting and watching, alright? So, we are waiting and watching, guys. What's up, Charting Queen? What's up, yo? I hope you're having a good day. Hope you're getting the gains in. Here we go. Okay, now I can turn this up. Give me 1 second. There we go. Boom, baby. There we go. Okay, have it a little bit loud there, so hopefully it's not too loud. Ready for moves to be done like 10 a.m. Yeah, buddy. So what? You're planning on being out of the market by 10, Charting Queen? Doing great. There we go. Yup. Charting Queen's going to be out of here by 10 a.m., bro. She said, I'm in and out. No, I agree. I couldn't agree more. Honestly, guys, tomorrow, CPI data. That's the day, bro. That's the day. Today might, dude, yesterday, guys, was wow. Let's take a look at yesterday. I want just easy. Yeah, right, bro? It's like, bro, look at yesterday. It was holy gross, dude. It was really, yeah. I was sitting there. I was sitting there literally with my hands like this, guys. I was like, what is happening? Because it was just wicking like an NQ. NQ is wicking like 10 points per candle. And I mean, when I mean wick, I mean like don't, like, it was crazy, guys. So, yeah, look at this, man. Wow. Like, it was nuts. It would wick down, like, what is this? It's 84. It would dump like literally 40, 50 points and then just rip right back up. So it's like, whew. And it did that multiple times. Obviously, you see here, it would just dump like 20 points, rip back up. So it was really hard to kind of catch a really nice play. I ended up catching a little bit on it, but oh man, dude, did it really get me, bro? That was yesterday. I will say, traders, if you guys were green on, that was the toughest day I've seen in a minute. Yeah, because why is it the toughest day I've seen in a minute? And I can, you know, we still got time, so I'll talk about it. Because it wasn't moving, it wasn't chopped. I won't say, you know, it is chopped, but it wasn't moving like chop, if that makes sense. So it was very wicky. If I take a look at the S&P 500, it was very, very wicky, right? So like if I would have just taken a look at the bigger picture, I would have been fine, but I was obviously zoomed in, right? So for me, I'm seeing dump. I'm thinking of an opportunity, right? When realistically, there's not. When realistically, we really haven't moved at all, right? We moved maybe, what is that? This is like 70 cents right back up. Now we only moved technically like 10 cents, or I mean, excuse me, like 30 cents right back. And it just kept doing that. And then it grind back up. So, ladies and gentlemen, make sure to stay cautious. If something like that happens today, yeah, I agree with all of you guys, man. Yeah, definitely just take your hands off, bro. Take your hands off. So yeah, buddy. So get a little hype, ladies and gentlemen. Get a little bit of hype on your belts.
So when we found that we could not make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends. But I'll admit that I was glad it was over.
Oh yeah. Oh, got the house mix going crazy today, baby. Woo! Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you're chilling out. Chilling out, baby. Let the music flow and let it go. So, guys, yes, my EMAs, I am waiting for that to set up, guys. 1,000,000,000%. Yep, we are also, guys, I'm going to link this here. If you guys did not see it, down below, I now have it posted there. My code's right there, lady. Ooh, Market getting a little bit of a pop. That's what, yo. Hold up, guys, bro. It's what is happening, bro? What just happened, dog? Who? What? Like what, dog? Like, holy crap! Look at that right there. Somebody bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000 shares of SPY right there. Holy crap, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, holy crap. Oh, 500 just like that. Jordan Queen with the print. Dude, she's out of here already, bro. Holy crap, bro. That is so random and wild. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys printed, but holy shit, dude. That was at 917. Like, what? Like, why is it spiking at 917? Give champagne popping for Jordan Queen, man. Holy, yeah. Hallelujah to you, though. 700 now. Oh, you're still in. Definitely set that trailing stop loss. Holy crap, yeah. Set that trailing stop loss. Let that thing go. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, big chilling out, man. Big chilling out on the day. So, yup, guys, we are waiting and watching. That was crazy, though. I was not expecting a pop like that at that given time. So, that's wild. Yep, that was wild. Where was I at? Oh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, so if you guys haven't yet, right here's my code for Apex, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure to go check it out. If you guys haven't, definitely helps out a lot, and I appreciate the support from all of you guys that have been using it and everything. So yeah, buddy, it's the same code as whatever the biggest sale they have going on right now is. So if it's the 80% off and 1 day to pass, that's what that code is as well. So it just follows along. It's just instead of using save 80 or whatever it is, you just can use that one or save now or whatever it is. And then they're like, oh, okay, you came from YB or etc. It's like, so yeah, buddy. What is it? Let me check here. There's that, and then obviously, let me do this. Guys, YB consultation is getting a complete and utter revamp, guys. I had somebody working on it right now, but this is going to be probably the last week of this kind of website, this formation of the website. So, ladies and gentlemen, make sure to go check it out. You guys can book a free call there. But yes, this is going to be the last week of this kind of, you know, I guess I'll say a website design. So definitely make sure to go check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Oh, baby. I'm so excited, man. So we're getting traders paid out, getting them making money, man. Tradecaster.com, ybconsultation.com. I love it. So at this given time, traders, we got about 9 minutes till market open. If you guys are up on the day, like Charting Queen herself, printing, ladies and gentlemen, make sure to obviously chill out, lock those gains up, and wait for tomorrow, guys. I'll bring it up one more time. We have something coming up tomorrow that's big. CPI data, 8:30 a.m. All you futures traders will be able to hit it. And then, not even just that, we have FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. So you have two opportunities, one at 8:30, one at 2 p.m. Make sure to take advantage of those, traders. Take advantage of those. Do not waste it. Those opportunities are amazing. So, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. So, definitely waiting, watching, man, on this market. I can't believe it's even holding these highs as well. That's crazy. Look at that. It's just holding up on these highs. That's nuts. So waiting and watching, guys. Give me 1 second. There we go. All right. We're big chilling out.
It's easy for me to spring for style and safety.
Oh, Spotify. We are big chilling out, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we're having a good day, man. 520. 520 is the price of SPY right now. Crazy. We are not that far off these all-time highs, guys. I am holding puts till June. So I got June's till put. English, YB. I got puts till June, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be holding them out and seeing, you know, how they react. Basically, this play is like one of those like 0 to hero type of plays. I'm either gonna make a crap ton or, you know, obviously nothing. They'll go to like $0, which is either way. Honestly, traders, you know, it's not money that is like, you know what I mean. I don't. Here's the thing, guys. You don't ever trade with money you need, right? You don't ever trade with money that, you know, you don't have. Like, obviously you have your money invested and everything like that, but you don't obviously do plays like that where, yeah, it's 0 to hero and it's like, oh, if this, I need this to hit because I got like fucking, I don't know, a fucking mortgage to pay or something. It's like, so only trade with money you're obviously willing to lose. Always, baby. So, yup. Big chilling out. Ugh. No, man. All right. So let's get the music back on. Let's get it going, baby. All right. Sorry, I'm waiting for the ads to always end there. So yeah, buddy. Oh man, alright guys. Yeah, buddy! What's up, Joe Fi? What's up, buddy? Hope you're printing. Hope you're getting it in. Getting the gains in, baby. Woo! So yeah, buddy. NQ Spy, yes, all chilling out, man. No complaints on my end, dude. We're having a blast, guys. We are having a blast, ladies and gentlemen. So, all you people from YouTube.com, Tradecaster.com, Twitter.com, wherever you may be from, soon to be TikTok.com, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I gotta get on there, guys. I gotta get on my shit. All right, know it. So, we got a couple videos coming out. We got a Coffees and Commentary with YB this Saturday, guys. Coffees and Commentary with YB this Saturday coming out on the YouTube, so you'll see it on the Yeah Buddy. I got a whole little setup I got coming in, so it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna be smoking a cigar. We're gonna be talking about some real shit. All right, guys. So make sure to check out that video when it comes out. So that one's coming out. We also got How to Trade Exactly with $30 coming out. Only all needs $30 to start. And what are we talking about? As you guys know, prop firms. Basically the start of them. Which ones are the best ones to trade as of right now? What are new prop firms that are out? Because we all know the basic ones like Apex, Tick Trader, Take Profit Trader. We've heard of these guys for so long. But which ones are the new ones coming out that have potential? That have that potential for growth. So we'll be going over all of that as well, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure to just go subscribe, bro. Just go into sub button if you guys aren't already. If you guys are at youtube.com, you guys are cute. Yeah, Tradecaster, you guys are sexy. So that's the difference. You know, when you come over to Tradecaster, you get 10% better looking, but by subscribing on YouTube, you get 5% better looking. So yeah. It's statistics. It's statistics, guys. So all you Tradecaster members, make sure to go hit that little button right there. It'll take you right to it. Open stream in new windows. So thank you guys. Appreciate it. All right. Enough plugging myself out there. Let's get to it. We got 4 minutes till market open here, boys. We're having a great day. We are waiting and watching. I love my EMAs right now. I love the push on this market. And I love the energy, baby. The market's let me have right now. So tons of shares being just, I don't know, man. I wonder if we'll get like anything above 5. Like, look at that, 2,500 shares sold. That is nuts. You gotta understand, and that's something as well, guys. We have to quite understand how many shares is what. Hey, YB, is 2,500 shares on the S&P a lot of shares? YB, is that a lot? This is all you gotta do, calculator. Okay, hey, that was sold at the time at 922. Well, 922, sitting right around. We'll go with 520. 520 times. That's a $1.3 million order, bro. That is a $1.3 million order, right? So then do this. With the price of 520, do that by 1,000 shares. $520,000. Well, if we go here, we go to all sizes. Right there's 1,000, 1,000, 1,500, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So you know what I mean, ladies and gentlemen? Like, this is a lot, bro. Like, you gotta think about it. You're placing over $1 million order on SPY. You know, will you have any effects? I mean, probably not. You know, you're not gonna have a whole lot, but yeah. So that's why I love keeping up just the time and sales, right? It gives you that mental, you know, mental capacity to kind of understand it. And if you guys are trading penny stocks, you need your level 2. If you guys are trading penny stocks, you guys have to have your level 2 up, because if the float is 5 million and somebody buys 60,000 shares of the stock, well, it's like, whoa, okay, that's a big buy order. Then someone comes in and buys 500,000 shares within like 2 minutes. You just see it, boom. Now you see what I'm saying? Then it's, oh shit, it's like, okay, well, hold on. It's like buyers are coming in here. It's like, oh, it's kind of crazy. So, ES and NQ, obviously these are futures. So to buy and sell one of these contracts is still even pretty crazy. Look at that. Like this guy right here just sold how many? 10. Look at that. He just sold 10. Well, that's a $180,000 order. So you got to understand the price action there. And if you don't, that's okay. There's plenty of video lessons on it too. So look at this. Videos. You can go to the video lesson. Look at all those videos, boys. So Deck did some cleaning, but there's definitely tons of videos you guys can go check out. So yeah, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, we got about a minute till market open, a little bit less, about 8 seconds. So wait, watch, chill out, and see how this thing, this market plays out, baby. Ding, 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 baby. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice pullback coming in, S&P 500 NQ. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Big chilling out right now, guys. Nothing crazy on the day happening. Yeah. There it goes. NQ starting to take off a little bit more. Beautiful play. Beautiful play. Nothing much, though. Can't complain about it, but... Yeah, it's fine. I'll do it till 10 a.m. Yeah, that's fine, guys. Alright, we're chilling out, man. Got a little cardio session in, baby. A little cardio in, guys. I think it's around that time of the year. You know, you guys start hitting cardio, you know, in different ways, right? So obviously, wrestling season. Dude, my hair looks atrocious right now. Don't mind that. Wrestling season, obviously, guys. You know, we're hitting cardio, ladies and gentlemen. We're doing good, everything like that, because obviously, you know, wrestling is just cardio. But then summertime comes. The beers get to going. The belly gets to flowing. And with every year I age, the more my metabolism slows down, the more my gut comes out. So I might go from bodybuilding to powerlifting here soon, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man. Yo, what's up, LJ? What's up, bro? Yeah, buddy, we are chilling out, man. S&P on its little pop, dude. It's getting a little nutso on us, so we're just waiting and watching on it. Hope you're printing, though, bro. Hope you're printing. Hope all of you guys are printing, man. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, so nice little cardio. You gotta keep it up. You gotta keep the gains going, baby. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to ask. If it's about cardio, don't ask me about that. I know nothing other than just run. Preferably about stocks here. Sorry. So if you guys want a diet plan, I'm also not the guy to ask. It's like, yup. It's like, YB, what do you eat? Anything? Oh, okay. Yup. It's like, you know, YB's diet consists of food. So that's what you need to know. Oh, diet's overcomplicated. My bad, bro. Yeah. My bad. I'll try and dumb it down. It's like, yeah, right, dude. It's like, oh man. Oh, what the frick? Yo, ladies and gentlemen, bro, they have audiobooks on. Yo, what? They have audiobooks on Spotify, bro. Yo, they had the Art of Seduction on here and the 48 Laws of Power. I did not know that, guys. Yo, that is... I just got put onto some game, dog. So I already read the 48 Laws of Power, but I have not read the Art of Seduction. Yeah, well, yeah, bro. Oh my, talk about sell-off right now, ladies and gentlemen. Holy crap. Yeah, no, I gotta check that book out. Yeah, 100%, bro. Especially if it's on the audio thing, that's so much easier, dude. Because I'm always, like, doing stuff, so it's hard for me to, like, just sit down and read. But I'll be in the car and I can, like, listen to it, you know what I mean? Like, I can be in the car and listen to it. I can probably sit down and read, like, try and, like, you know, go to the local library or something. Yeah, bro, right? Yeah, that's pretty, it's pretty handy. All right, guys, so we are big chilling out. That's really good to know, though, so I'm going to definitely take that into consideration. There we go. Wow, NQ selling off, guys. You got to be cautious here. With this sell-off, it could just blow right through the EMAs. As you see, S&P isn't really set up well. So right here's that 200-day coming up on NQ. Gonna take a look at NQ overall, see what it's doing. Oh yeah, blue. Oh yeah, guys. So sell off inbound, ladies and gentlemen. Be cautious near these points. Holy shit, I was on 8. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Sorry guys, I had 8 minis loaded up. That would have been nuts, dog. You make one good play off that, bro. You're done. You pass the challenge. Holy crap. Nice little 200 touch, guys. YB, I'm gonna give it a second personally. Yes, that worked out. Yes, that's beautiful if you took it. 100%. Is that necessarily the EMA? It's not the EMA strategy. It's not a bad play at all. I did not take that though, ladies and gentlemen, as I wish I would have. Oh my gosh, dude, that was perfect, bro. That was so perfect. Okay, guys. But yeah, I would really like for NQ, S&P 500's VWAP and 200 to kind of close in a little bit more. So this happens on market open. Market open, the VWAP is obviously the volume weighted average price. So the volume weighted average price is down here, and the second the volume spikes a lot, here's where it goes, right? Because the volume goes from averaging around what 5,000 a candle to, you know, now 100,000, 150,000 a candle, right? So obviously the VWAP, the volume weighted average price, what's the average price per volume, right? Boom, spikes up. So, and NQ, as you see, obviously it went up a little bit, but it doesn't. I mean, it's such a big stock, and you know, you need so much to actually buy a proper NQ share, I guess. So yeah, bro, that's why it doesn't really, you know, that's why they don't really get affected, and they're also. Once again, the people that are trading NQ are already trading NQ, right? So think about that, ladies and gentlemen. People that trade NQ have been trading NQ all day. People that are trading S&P just started, right? So it's kind of it. That's like the spike off of our 6 p.m. open. Let's see. Where's that at there? We're going to go back to the good old time of right there. So that's like this right here. So every day between 5 and 6 p.m., the market is closed. So guys, you guys can 135% kind of see the correlation to where there's a spike up here, and then it'll start to, you know, flatten out. Well, same thing with SPY when it opens up. So most stocks, obviously, when they open up, people are excited to trade them, and they place trades. I wonder if there's anybody out there that like the second the market opens, they straddle a play every single time. Like, they just kind of get in long and short every single time the market opens. Or, like, something. You know, you guys get what I'm saying in a way? Like, I wonder if anyone actually does that. Because like, you got to think about it. And then another thing, you want to, like, make things a little weirder. Think about... Okay, this sounds weird. Think about where people are right now, bro. Think about everyone who's placing orders right now is somewhere else in the world. Like this guy that just bought 1,000 shares, bro, he could be sitting in like some Versace mansion. Just placed like a 500,000 share order on, you know, SPY. This guy just sold a singular share. This could be his first day in the stock market. You know, you get what I'm saying? And he could be sitting in like, I don't know, like his mom's basement or something. You know what I mean? It's like, think about it, guys. Like, isn't that so crazy? You guys are gonna be like, oh, YB started smoking. Oh, there ain't nothing. There ain't no way he's not on some shit when he's talking. YB's on some shit. What is this guy rambling about, bro? Like, what is this guy rambling about, ladies and gentlemen? So, guys, we were big chilling out. Market back up with the push, guys. That was the perfect entry. I know, guys, I had the best entry possible. I did not take it on NQ. If you guys did, you guys would be up almost 60 points right now. Not to make you guys feel like you missed an opportunity. But, oh, man, ladies and gentlemen. I would have loved to make a trade by about 10 a.m. today and have gotten in, gotten out. That's it. But nothing. So, ladies and gentlemen, CPI data tomorrow. You got to wait and watch till then. That's going to be your next big trade of the day. Obviously, guys, going into it. So you guys could potentially play this breakout here. Depends. I see NQ breaking out here if S&P starts to break out of its area. So I just need to see this start to kind of break out here and break out. I don't think I'll actually take it. I think, like I said, guys, I'm waiting for one setup and one setup only. And that's going to be my EMA setup. But it doesn't look bad. You guys want to take it on micros, I'm not against it. But, again, we are big chilling out, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that little top coming in, guys. Little top coming in right at 405. Right at the 400 level, basically. So, guys, we wait and watch. And we wait and we watch. So, if you guys are coming from Twitter.com, man, make sure you guys hit that little sub button, man. Welcome, welcome. First time posting over there in a little bit.
Found your passion.
No, I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro.
Transforming healthcare. At WellSpan,
Oh my gosh, sorry guys.
growth and success.
I just read
All
something that
makes
was.
a difference for our patients and the communities we
Oh
serve.
man, people are funny people.
Nursing career.
People got jokes, guys. People got jokes, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. All right, chilling out, guys. Chilling out. Market's kind of chopping around right now. We're gonna be waiting for this next push down. I want to see kind of this view up come down as well, down to that 200 day, so they can kind of play each other out. And until that given point, I'm probably not gonna be taking any trades. We're gonna be chilling out, waiting, watching, man. We'll play some bops. And if this thing, let's say this thing starts to, spike up, that's also good, guys. So YB, if you want the market to pull back to be able to get an entry, why is it spiking up good? Guys, if this thing starts to rip and run, the view up in the 200 will then start to consolidate, finally reaching the point in which I love to where they're touching, right? Then when we get a pullback right down to it, that is like 96% of the time where we get our bounces. It'll either hit that or it'll bounce above it, right? And if it bounces above it, it bounces above it. There's nothing you can really do. But, usually never cracks. I mean, like I said, 4% of the time it does. That's what I have it down to. Why 96%, guys? Because, you know, within the last 2024 alone, and I've taken 100 trades, when I was on, obviously, my last eval and last funded account, bro, is a 96% win rate. No, it wasn't across 100 trades. It was across, like, I don't know, it was like 45 trades or some random number like that. I don't know. It's just, it came out to 96%, guys, all right? So, and then it's been proven ever since, and that's what I've been rocking with. But, you know, when you trade anything other than it, like myself yesterday, trading dumb ways, taking a bunch of dumb trades, and chop like this when the EMA strategy definitely is not really there, that's when you get crapped on. So, 1,000,000%, guys, just got to wait and watch. Here we go down to our 200-day, and we're coming down to it right here. So, maybe I'll be entering into trade very shortly. We will wait, and we will see. Oh, you guys can't hear the music. Oh. My bad, guys. My bad. There we go. All right. Hopefully that's a little loud enough. I know this thing's not bouncing off the 50-day right now, bro. I know you're not bouncing off the 50-day, bro. You're playing games. NQ. NQ playing games. Playing games. So, ladies and gentlemen, I need to bookmark some of these books. Oh, never mind, guys. You do have to buy them. It's $30 to buy. Wait. Never mind, you do have to buy them. Okay. Alright, that makes more sense. Oh, wait, or do you get them with premium? We're gonna look at this. I need to figure this out. Or I'll just buy the book. Give me 1 second, traders, as I figure this out for all of us. Wait a minute. By Robert Greer. This is the same guy that wrote 48 Laws of Power. Am I wrong? No, yeah, it is. Okay, that's what I thought. I was like, wait a minute. Oh, this guy's mine, though. He's got it going. So, ladies and gentlemen, bro. Robert Greer books. Oh, there we go. So chilling out, guys. Big chilling out. There we go. Guys, 9:47. Something's picking up. Something's in the water. Picking up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not doing this chop again today, boys. I'm not doing it. I will make it a no-trade day, boys. I will make it a no-trade day. I'm not doing this crap again. All right, we're hitting. I might be interested here. Depends on what happens right here, guys. Starting to break through a little bit more here. Yup, there it goes. There it goes. Ladies and gentlemen, starting to come back down to these lows. That's what I love to see. Okay. Oh, guys, I didn't even see the rest of these texts here, guys. All right, done 1K on the day. Good luck, guys. Have a good one, Charting Queen. I didn't even see these texts. Caught that little move on NQ. TP early. Damn, I should have held at least one. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, sorry, guys. Didn't even know you guys were texting. Have a good one, Charting Queen, with a 1K day, bro. In and out, yo. That's crazy. Champagne popping. AK-47. Already a 2K day. Yo, dude, you guys are printing, bro. Yo, YB gotta catch up is what I'm saying. YB gotta catch up, guys. Alright. Yeah, bro. What's going on here? LASE, Lacey and Arm. Yeah, why gotta catch some moves here? All right, guys. Give me a second, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a second. We just ran up and through. Oh my, bro. I want to see a little bit more of that dumping action. Now I want to see what happens here, guys. We're in that area. Got to be cautious. Got to be cautious here. I want to see, can it just dump through? Waiting and watching. Waiting and watching, boys. Look at that, dumping through. Guys, no order for myself, no entry. Why no entry? Because S&P is not near its. ES is not near its. What is it? NQ overall, not near it. So we gotta wait. NVDA getting a little bit of a bounce here, guys. I do see the bounce coming. I just, you don't want to be, All right, we're gonna test the waters here, guys. We had a nice big lower shadow there. I will get out of this quickly if it does decide to break down. If it starts, spikes back up here, I'm looking at like 70, 80. Remember, this one's the eval because it's a Tuesday before CPI, guys. So, here, I'm going to place a limit order in here for selling these shorts. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And then if it's going to bounce, it's going to do it here. If it's not going to bounce, then it would continue to fall short. But if it's going to bounce, guys, it'll do it right here, guys. So this is the spot you're looking at then. So you're looking for a spike of Rooney. I'm filled at 5-1, so not bad, not bad, not bad. As long as a banger as well. Gotta put on a banger. So I love it. I love it. There it goes, guys. Starting to come back up here. Starting to come back up here, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys love it just as much as I do, baby. So there we go, baby. Let that thing start to take off. 5K day, charting queen, oh charting queen. Money Printer City. Hallelujah to you. Congratulations on the gains, charting queen. Shout out to you. Jeez. Love it. I love to see it. So came up a little bit here above this 200. I would love to see it basically start to break out and above it now to the top side up to that 9-day EMA and then that 50, guys. That's basically it. So if it doesn't, like this right here, guys, coming back down to the lows there. This isn't really the strategy, guys. I'm going to get out. It's not really the strategy at hand. The strategy is it's supposed to kind of, start to come back up here. But obviously you see S&P still pushing lower. NQ overall looks like it can go lower. Yo, somebody get YB. Yo. YB's going to test this. Now that means NQ wants to come up here. It looks like it wants to pop, boys. I'm not going to lie. It looks like it wants to pop then. Obviously, just taking an L or whatever, that kind of sucks. But it definitely, obviously you gotta note your entries and exits. I mean, look at that lower shadow there. If this thing holds up, definitely can make a U-shape to the top. NQ could start to push up here. It could push all the way up to 90. So I'll have a sell order at 95. Once again, guys, this is me just chilling out today on an eval. Tomorrow's CPI data, I'll grab another one or something, and I'll do a straddle play on it. But I definitely see a breakout to the top side here, boys, ladies and gentlemen.
Burlington has me springing for style.
Burlington, baby, Burlington. Gotta love it.
Burlington keeps me in
Yeah, they do.
With quality that never disappoints.
Got to turn the Burlington down. I don't really want to listen to that. Red to green there on SPY is going to push NQ up here. Get them going, get them going, get them going. I would love to see this thing go red to green, spike back up here. I think NVDA, NQ overall, and S&P are all going to have a major effect on that, that factor there, if it gets that spike. So we're just waiting and watching, just going to see, guys. So we are looking to see if it's going to go red to green, guys. See if you do get some sort of spike there. Like I said, the market's been chilling out the last few days, just due to the fact the CPI data coming out on Wednesday. You know, you could have some potential, you know, other plays that may present themselves, but definitely overall markets have been chilling out recently. I love this push down, but now let's see if we can get the spike back up here. So that's kind of what we're looking at. So I love it, but I would love to see that right there basically, and then start to hit buyers, start to flood on the time. Right there it is. Buyers starting to flood. That's what I want to see. I want to see them flood in here. Buying, 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 bro. Just so much buying pressure, dude. This stock just starts. They just start ripping and running, guys. All right, sellers are basically profit taking's out with sellers. Buyers are stepping in, pushing this market up, right? So that's what will happen. Buyers will start to step in. If they do, I can't get a time of sales on that. You know, if they can hold this market up, that's what will happen. If not, then this is just a retracement, and then we'll get another push down. But I would love to see buyers pick this thing back up, push it back up to the highs, even upwards of 400 you could look for, guys. So I'm really not against that. The last two spikes have hit the high 400, $60 moves. So, excuse me. Well, yeah, 60-point moves, 60-point moves. So they would have to hold up here and then start to spike though. If not, yup, coming back down. It's just sitting, guys. So I might get out and just kind of call it a day on this account. All depends here, man. All depends on SPY here. You are looking for a push. If not, I feel like you may be coming up on that next leg down, which I don't want to see. I am looking for a wick maybe here and then a push back to the top side. So that's kind of what you're looking at. You're looking at a wick and then a push back to the top side, guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's all you're looking for. That's all you're looking at. Nice little wick. And then a push back to the top side. The wicking so far looks beautiful. I want to see the push, though, come in. So I want to see red to green here potentially, and or hold above that 200, right at that 200. Next candle comes in, rip. One or the other. I want to see, okay, right at that 200, I want to see next candle come in, rip. I would love to see this thing go from red to green here and just start ripping on us, guys. All depends. Like I've said before, S&P 500 here. Definitely just depends on that. So, yup. Big chilling out here, guys. Big chilling out here, guys. I would, like I said, same thing as before. Would love to see the push up, but I'm medical. All right. Trading heavy. I'm only in 2, and this is an eval. And honestly, it really depends. You know, it really does depend for myself, anyways. What is it? Coming tomorrow, man. So this is an eval I loaded up yesterday because I know that we have that data coming out tomorrow. So I know no matter what off the straddle play tomorrow, you know, I got it funded. So it's like if I can get one today, or I can make this one grow today, that'd be awesome. But yeah, I know tomorrow's the day that really matters. Yes, this is a little heavy though. I would go 1 mini usually, not 2, guys. 2 minis is usually all my evals. If I'm trading a funded, that's 1 and only. One mini and only. So how much are you playing with each trade to get those kind of profits? Yeah. Don't look at my profit. Yeah, buddy. Yup, I'd love to hear it. Yeah, guys, I don't think this is really setting up. Like, it's setting up well for a bounce, but it's not doing it's not the proper EMA strategy setup. Like, if this thing rips and runs here, that's because of a double bottom, and it's kind of like a tweezer bottom rip. You know what I mean, guys? That's not because of, hey, EMA strategy came into play here and it started to rip. Like, if this thing pops, rips, and runs here, like, it looks beautiful. It looks like it's starting to get that rip here. It is respecting the VWAP here and the 200. It's just, I don't think it's going to be because of the EMAs. I'm not going to say, like, I can't take credit. The EMA strategy doesn't look credit, yeah. The EMA strategy cannot take credit for the rip and run here. So, that's it, traders. That's it. So I am looking for some sort of pop-up here, ladies and gentlemen. If it doesn't come in, I feel like we're in a little bit of a wedge. There we go. Yeah, I see the downtrend. I got to mark it. I have to mark the wedge. Something like that. And it really depends. Like I said before, guys. I'll put my stop. Yeah, below that's fine. Yup. If it's going to rip and run and spike here, it's going to do it right around here. Has to break that 9-day EMA on SPY. And basically just rip and run. Same thing here with ES. Has to break the 9-day EMA on ES and NQ as well. And then it can rip and run, guys. So that's all we're waiting on. That's all we're waiting for. So, not looking bad. Has to hold these highs, though. Holding these highs is a big factor in this, guys. Holding these highs, getting that rip and run back to this top side, all depends on these tweezer bottoms coming up here, guys. So, love it right now, but has to hold these highs, right? So, we'll see. It has to hold the highs, and it has to break the 9-day EMA. S&P 500 has to get above the 9-day EMA for this thing to actually work. If it does not get above, it may, you know, I would see a next leg down then. Almost. Look at that thing coming back up, though, ladies and gentlemen. Coming back up. See a red to green here, guys, above that 9-day EMA. Come on, baby. Hit me with it. Hit me with it. You're right there. Hit me with it, baby. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, baby. This is ridiculous, dude. Come on. Spike on me. So came up, touched the 9-day EMA, did not get above it, guys. Did not get above it. All about patience. All about patience, guys. Gotta have patience with the play. Gotta have patience with your play, baby. Gotta have patience. Once you start revenge trading, getting frustrated, anger, anything, that's where everything goes wrong, guys. So patience pays, I'm telling you. If this thing breaks this 9-day EMA, also the consolidation, you want to see it push up there. So beautiful, nice lower shadow there on NQ. Beautiful lower shadow there, NQ, S&P, ES. All looking great, all looking grand right now. Lower shadow over lower shadow on NVDA as well. Looking beautiful. NVDA starting, NQ starting to get that push. NVDA coming back too. Starting to get that push up here, guys. My mark is going to be around maybe that 400 area. I'm going to let this thing rock out. You know, you got to control your emotions in every situation, and that's where that came in. So, loving it, but it has to continue to spike up here, breaking out finally, but you want to see it hold these highs and break out. S&P 500 does have to get above that 9-day EMA for this thing to continue. Putting the pieces out there. Oh, man, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Yup, I'm sure. Oh, well, here it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get a push up to the 50 here. And like I said, look at that. Look at that, guys. NQ has room now, guys. Above that 50-day EMA, break it like butter and rip. Break it like butter and rip, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, guys, look at that. Starting to break it, starting to break out of it. I want to see it break that and then continue to pop, rip, and run. Guys, why is it ripping and running? And S&P 500 just broke out of its 9-day EMA. If it can hold up on those highs, red to green, it can go. It can rip and run. So I know I'm just waiting and watching, guys. You have to have patience. Remember, patience on the play, guys. Patience on the play, right? So holding up here, S&P 500 looking beautiful. Want to see red to green on this? I know that can flash red to green here on NQ. So waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. Gotta have patience with it. Patience with the play. Red to green there, starting to form there on S&P 500. Starting to take off on S&P 500. NQ coming up. NQ coming up. Above this 50-day EMA. It's going to rip, run, soar. Let's see it, baby. If it can get above, guys. Hold on. Before I start talking madness and badness, all combination. Let it get above. You're looking at NQ overall as well. Wow, Tesla is going crazy to the top side, guys. I just peeped that. Peep Tesla, crazy to the top side. Look at that. Above that 9, has to kind of hold up here. I know the 50-day is like, oh, YB, but guys, I just feel like we can get that push back up and above, up to those 400 levels. We finally broke out, ladies and gentlemen, and I really wasn't, looking for a really tiny gain on that. So I really truly was looking for this thing, and I'm still looking for this thing to push up and above. So patience, guys. That's really it. Patience, 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 patience. Cannot preach it enough. So you got the play marked out. Got it all written out, ladies and gentlemen. Up 750 on NQ for the day. Yeah, buddy. LJ, baby. I love to see it, my guy. If you TP'd there, that is a beautiful spot to TP. I did not, only because I was down already. The 50-day came into play. I know that that's a resistance spot. I know a lot of times, but I also know the fact that we're breaking this 9-day EMA again to the top side. If S&P can do it as well, we can start to form this uptrend and continue to form the uptrend and set the spike, rip, and run. That's kind of what I'm looking at. If not, guys, I'm very gladly, I'm fine with walking away on the day. Right, today is not a day I want to sit here and trade for very long. It's 10:05 already. I want to be out of here probably by 10 a.m. Right? So why? Because tomorrow's the day with CPI data. Tomorrow I'm just gonna straddle play, and if everything goes well as it usually does, get yourself a free funded. So ladies and gentlemen, chilling out right now, waiting to see what happens here. If we start to break those lows there, guys, obviously I will be stopped out, but I want to see it continue to rip and run and soar on me, man. So had a nice spike up, but that's not the type of play I'm looking for, man. I'm not looking for a quick pop. I'm looking for that longevity. I'm looking for the longevity within it. I'm looking for it to continue to rip and run and soar here. I'm looking for it to go up to 70, 80, 90. I'm not looking for it to go, I guess 60 and touch and then, not come back up here. So I definitely do think this can be another low, and then we can start to get that push, guys, that we were waiting on. So like I said, patience pays. Patience pays, boys. You have to have patience. Once again, I will say VWAP is holding up. I love to see that. But I will not say the EMA strategy is in play right now, guys. The EMA strategy is completely out of play. So this play is definitely just off of tweezer bottoms. Off of that, right there's a little pop up. Now we're coming down. Maybe we're making a little bit of a W pattern here now. So, patience, baby. Patience on the play, guys. All right. I was like, bro, are you going to stop me out or what? All right, guys, so got stopped out on that one, ladies and gentlemen. No big deal. Like I said before, I'm big chilling out on it, waiting and watching. So, yep, there's a little bottom coming in, guys. Now we're waiting and watching. This thing has more room to sell off now. That's it. That's all that means. Why did I not lock it up? I'm not looking for $300, bro. I'm not looking for $300. Once again, guys, this is not really an account. I loaded it up yesterday. And realistically, I don't trade the evals very cautiously. I'm not going to lie. I'm very wild on the evals. I take very wild trades on them because it's not a funded. My funded is where I lock in and I get it down. And is that implementing bad trading in a way? No. But I will say that I was just trying out this 200 and VWAP there. Didn't work out. That's all good. I do still see this thing going up, though. If this thing does not dump here, I can see this thing ripping. I might just try this one. Hold up, ladies and gentlemen. Give YB a second, guys. Give YB a second here. Give YB a second. Dude, if I get one more ad, I'm going to lose it. Did I watch the NCAA basketball game? I did not. I did not. NCAA basketball game, eh? Grambo the Mambo is a baller. All right, let's expand this. Keep that. Yeah, that's fine. Take this. All right, so now I got everything loaded up there. NVDA continuing to sell off here. Kind of crazy. This market recently has not been attractive, guys. I will say that. This market really has been super ugly recently. I will 100% admit it. I have not had a really good setup probably this whole week. Last week was not bad. It set up. It did set up, I will say. Monday through Friday. Spoken like a true wrestler. Yeah, this guy. Yeah, dude, no, but it's definitely just setting up. And I'm very tempted to make this trade here. It's like a go big or go home kind of trade. Just because I just, you know, like I said for tomorrow, guys, I don't know if I really, you know, I might just load up 2 more. You know, and then just do that. And then just take my funded and walk away, boys. I definitely just see a pop coming, guys. I'm not going to lie. I see a pop coming on so many different levels, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, I mean, that's really it. I see a pop coming on so many different levels, guys. It's really just about patience. Look at that. It just keeps riding this 9. It can't hold above it. And the more it can't hold above it, the more resistance is going to be. So the second that breaks. Look at her bounce at 318. Down to 318, eh? Okay. I see where you're at. You're in this area right here. I'm not even against that, bro. I'm not against that at all, dude. I'm just waiting and watching, bro. Because it's just chilling out. It's very, I don't know, man. I actually, this recent market has been very, I wouldn't say frustrating, just I don't know, man. It's almost annoying. It's so slow. It is very, 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 very slow. And it's YB, we are at all-time highs. What do you mean? Guys, I'm just going to put something out here really quick. Hold on, give me a second as I wait for this. I'm about to put something out here that is just a fact. Whether you think about it or not, it's a fact. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days, bro. Small red day, super small red day, small red day, red to small green to red day, small red day, small red day, small green day, small green day, good red day, decent green day, small red day, small red day. It is just dude, it is just what are good days? This is obviously beautiful. Obviously that's beautiful. But even days like that, even days that have some sort of move like this, even days that look like this, because when you go to the actual chart setup, they look beautiful, right? So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's really it. That's all I got. I kind of just see I see a bear flag kind of, I don't know. Is that what it's fighting right now? Daily 9. Okay. I'm just seeing this right now. Seeing something like that right now, traders. Very slow day again. A lot of chop happening. Market is very low on volume right now. So, I mean, yep, no, I'm right around 100,000. So, guys, we're going to be approaching some of the worst months of the year coming up, ladies and gentlemen. So, days like this will happen. You're going to have a lot of slow days. I'm just going to tell you that straight up. If I don't tell you it, somebody will. And I'll tell you straight up, these days are slow. So, you have to be patient with it. If you're not patient with it, you might get shit on. So this week, bro, this week's been my worst week of 2024 so far. Not to put that into play, that's not true technically, but statistically. I wonder why. I wonder why. Oh, man. This fucking slow market, that's why. So I still ended yesterday green on one account, red on another, but still I don't really count it because the red took over the green. Yeah, so yeah, bro. Some of my slowest days of 2024 are right here, right now. Oh, man, boys. Finally breaking above the 9. NVDA getting up there a little bit here. S&P getting up there a little bit here, guys.
Order filled.
All right, we're in here. Oh, wow. Okay. That was a pretty good fill, I'd say, for where I clicked buy here. If we're up here, this has to break right here, guys. This has to break and rip and run. and we can catch a, there it goes, starting to break out, starting to rip and run. That's exactly what I want to see here, guys. And now we can start to really move. So it has to continue to spike here, boys. Has to continue to spike here and fill out. I want to see this thing W fill out here now, right? So this is what I've been waiting on. I knew this spike was coming. I called it multiple times, but that's not, I'm not here to say I told you so, because, you know, if I told you so, I would have taken the trade, right? Technically. So, guys, like I said, big chilling out on it. There it goes, a little bit more here, guys. I need it to hold up. I have to see that hold up. Has to hold up above this 50-day EMA. So at this given rate, I'm going to put my stop loss at break even. Why am I putting my stop at break even? Because there is no point in which I should hit my break even now and continue to rip and run. So like if I hit break even, then that's just this play being super duper whack. It should definitely continue to rip and run here. This is what I'm talking about. Like rip and run, kind of the momentum I'm looking for here, guys. Just kind of spiking, ripping, running up to at least 70. At least 70. I can see upwards of 400. So that's kind of where I'm at, guys. And it all depends. Look at all this buying action coming in right now. Look at all of these buyers flooding in this market right now, guys. Look at the buyers. That's why I have the time and sales up. I need to see the buyers continue to step in. Buyers have to continue to take over, and I'm good. So if they're stepping in on SPY, they usually are stepping in on NQ as well. That's not always true, but right there it goes. So, ladies and gentlemen, starting to come in here, starting to come into play. Beautiful, beautiful play. I'm thinking about grabbing 2 more here and riding this thing out a little bit longer. So, waiting and watching on it. Slight pullback here I want to see, but then I want to see it push back up, guys. I do not want to see sellers just take it away. I do not want to see sellers just take it away. There's no point then. That was just a fake breakout. That's all that was then. Why am I not locking up gains? Because again, guys, I'm looking for some sort of longevity in this play. I'm not looking. There it goes. Hold on. Coming back up here, guys. Has to spike back up here, boys. Has to get the spiking.
Order filled.
Bought another 2 there. Keep my break even basically at the first one. My stop loss there. Want to see it continue to rip and run here, guys. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Want to see it continue to rip and run here, guys. I definitely could see this thing basically a bullish, bullish engulfing it, coming up, pushing 70, 80, like I said, man. And that's the spot you're looking at. Beautiful play. Team special plays, special players. Go Sid Moras. All right. Has potential. Hold on. Taking a look at NVDA here. Want to see buyers flooding. Buyers flooding, baby. That's it. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's all you're looking for now. Buyers to come in and take it away. So here they're starting to come, ladies and gentlemen. Buyers are starting to come in, take it away, guys. Like I said, you have up to at least 70. At least. It should go more than 70 here, guys. Realistically, I'm just being honest. It should definitely go up to more than 70 there. I don't think that that's a high, man. I mean, you might get I don't know, man. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Holding that 50-day could push back up here. If not, it would touch.
Stop fill.
There it goes. All right, guys. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I am not looking for $300. I'm not looking for a fucking $100, bro. I'm not looking for fucking $40, guys. All right, that's why. It's like, yes, could I just TP every time? Yes. No, I'm not going to, bro. No. It's like, YB, are you being stubborn? Not really. I mean, I don't know. I don't really think I'm being that stubborn. I don't know. I do not know. All I know is YB is done on the day. I'm basically just going to use this one funnel into tomorrow. And I'm basically just going to have one of those, like, I'm going to have a straddle play basically go on tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. But yeah, guys, so what am I looking for? I'm looking for the bigger move here. If it's going to be chop, I'm going to hit my stop loss every time. Obviously, the EMA setup's not setting up. We have nothing good setting up. If you guys are green on the day, definitely walk away, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad I was able to trade with you guys today. Hopefully you guys, printed some. If you guys literally took my trades, but, yo, here we go, Grambo. Here we go, Grambo, with the analogies. So, $100 on the ground, would you pick it up? Yes, yes, Grambo, I would pick it up. Yes, Grambo, I'm aware. Well, why are you picking up $100? Because I think it can go. I'm thinking in my head. I'm thinking of the longevity. I'm like, okay, we're hitting 70 here. This is not. There's nothing really across the board. Like you have some little bit of old resistance, but man, we just broke above this 50-day. S&P is ripping and running here. I can at least see it getting up above its 50-day up to here, holding out a little bit, blah blah blah, etc. So I'm not looking for a $100 gain there, bro. You know what I mean? So it's like these guys can get, anyways, yeah. Yeah, no, 100%. No, I'm trading CPI itself. I'm not trading CPI day, like the actual day. Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm trading the, the CPI data itself, guys. So, that's it. So I'm literally just trading, yeah, like I said, the actual data. And that's it. And I'm doing one straddle plan, and then I'm done with the day. And that's it, guys. So, 100%, ladies and gentlemen, I will catch you all then. Hope you guys have a great day. Take it easy, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.